everyone, I'm in Smithfield today. It's been a while since I've done a bike ride, so I came to Smithfield. I'm gonna ride the Buffalo Creek Greenway, I think it's called, and the Noose River Trail. I don't have a map currently, but I think I'm in the right spot to start. I'll give you an idea of what it's like, and also if I see a map along the way, I'll be sure to shoot a picture of that and discuss it. So anyway, hope you enjoy it. And it's a nice day here. It's the end of March, spring. Things are starting to green up and it's in the 60s, so it's a good day. All right, I found a sign. All right, so I'm starting up here at the Smithfield Community Park, and right here in that little spot right there is where I'm at right now. You can see that, but I'm gonna follow the Greenway Trail down all the way to the end. So I'll end up at Bob Wallace JC Kiddie Park, and then I'm gonna ride it all the way back up to my car. Look, they have a barn quilt trail here, I guess, so that'd be kind of cool. Under a road. I just went kind of around by the sewer plant, I guess. Water treatment plant of some sort. Bit about the Noose River. So a little park entrance here, so you can get down to the river with a boat ramp. Buffalo Creek Greenway. I think I might be somewhere over here in that area at this point. Some camellia bushes right there. We're just going up along the river here. Going under another road. I made it to the Bob Wallace JC Kiddie Park, and I guess this is the other end of the trail. I didn't use my tracker the whole way, but it was about 3 miles from one end to the other, so I'm about to take it back 3 miles, and I'll try to pick up on some of the sites maybe I missed just to show you along the way. Anyway, it was fun. Nice day, easy ride, not too much incline, so it's pretty easy trail. I did just notice that this trail is part of the East Coast Greenway from Maine to Florida, so if anybody's traveling on that, you might come through this little area here in Smithfield, North Carolina. Anyway, I'm gonna head back down the trail here. There's a little Girl Scout hut right here along the trail. This is like the only big hill in the whole thing, but it's not super steep. All these little purple violets along the trail. This is the sewer plant area. Barn quilt. I think this is my favorite barn quilt I've seen so far. The raccoon holding an apple, and whoever did this did a really nice job. Almost back to the beginning of the trailhead. Just kind of show you the way back to the parking lot from here on my video. So Looks like they must have a frisbee golf course here, if anybody's into that. This is the soccer field. Alright, so this brings you back to the parking lot here. I'm parked at. Made it back to the parking lot. I did a really bad job of mapping out how long it took and everything, but it's about 3 miles down, 3 miles back. Took me maybe an hour, but I don't go real slow. But anyway, it's a pretty easy trail, but it's nice, secluded. You're kind of back in the woods a lot. Along the river and stuff like that. So it's a nice trail to stop at if you're in Smithfield and you want to take a short bike ride on a all paved trail from one end to the other. It's a good option. All right, thanks.